person will never get into a trap of suicide. And the third thing is, last but not least, spirituality. People may be wondering why spirituality will not allow a person to commit suicide. So let me give you some insights into the spirituality. Spirituality is entirely different from religion. So spirituality is where you are understanding yourself. The spirituality cannot be started on a blue moon day. So there are few steps where the spirituality will start. The first thing is, if your family environment is more spiritual, then you also will become spiritual. The second thing is, when there is lots of chaos happening in your life, you tend to find out some way where the spirituality is helping you out. This is the second way of getting into spirituality. The third thing is, one blue moon day you got up and you are spiritual. So all these three things will make a person to be spiritual. So how the spirituality is helping an individual is very important. The spirituality, when you are into the spirituality, you tend to practice meditation. Meditation will allow you to have positive thoughts. It will fill you with positivity. There will be no negativity in your thoughts. The second thing is, when you are spiritual, you have a weapon called prayer. When you are praying something, some God, you are trying to seek help from the God. That means you are having a hope and you are seeking help. So when you are seeking help, definitely your soul will start realizing that you are going to get the help. So the help and the hope will heal the problems in your personal life. And the third thing is, as you are going towards the spirituality, it will heal yourself. You tend to realize your own mistakes, the way you are behaving with others, the speech, what you are using, or the thoughts, what you are getting, whether they are good or bad to you or to the people around you. So slowly you start realizing and you start making changes in your behavior and speech and thoughts. So this is also helping you to heal yourself. When you have a hope and the prayer is helping you to seek help, definitely your coping skills will improve. As you are calm and quiet through meditation, your problem solving skills also improve. When you are having coping skills and problem solving skills, definitely you are not thinking about suicide. So having a spiritual path will definitely help you out in improving your lots of skills. It will improve your personal relationships. It will also improve your positive thoughts. It will improve your good speech. It will heal yourself. You will become calm and quiet. All your negative aspects of your personality will be changing in a slow process, but definitely it is going to change one day. So when you are a spiritual person, definitely the suicide is not your way of resolving the issues. So thank you so much for watching.